Steve again from the Steve Henry Show, and coming this week is the second, that's right, the second of our third Christmas series. You saw last week, or if you didn't, you need to go back and watch that video. That was with this tree. Now, the tree is naked. I told you this story. My dogs, Mo, JB, and I, we went to Home Depot. We constructed this cross, and it took 12 pineapples. That's right, 12 pineapples last week to decorate this tree. The charcuterie board, baby. That's right. But we did 12 pineapples, and you came to the Christmas cross, and you partook in its beauty and glory and food and so on. If you didn't get a chance to see that video, you got to go back and watch that. That was awesome. You also got to see Patricia Rice. That's right, Patricia. We are coming live to see you right after the show this Saturday. Literally, we're going to warm the Jeep up, get in that thing, and drive to Phoenix and fly back on the red eye. Oh my goodness gracious. But that's what we do. What you're wondering, why am I doing this with a baby? This is baby Alicia's first baby. That's right. Rick77 and Emily. Good grief. This is her first baby, her first Christmas, her first everything. So that's what you're getting here is that. But this week on the Steve Henry Show, it is the second of a series of 3, as I told you. What do you do the night before Christmas? Well, you don't stir through the house looking for a mouse. Somebody's got to eat, right? Well, we're going to present for you a beautiful presentation of what a Christmas or pre-Christmas dinner should look like. Green and red, yeah, festive and seasonal. What's this eggplant doing here? Well, it's got something to do with eggplant parmesan and linguine pesto. Hey, that's green and red, yeah. Wait till you see what we're going to do with that. It's going to be amazing. Special announcement. Listen up, everybody, listen up. This is a video, the one that you're watching right now. If you make a comment, and if you like it, and if you share it, I'm going to put your name in a present. It's going to present itself right here under the tree. This tree will be decorated. Wait till you see what we do with this cross this week. If you like the pineapples last week, you're going to love what we do this week. But under this tree, or cross as it's known, we're going to put a present for you. That's right. It's going to have a present in a box. Probably something like a mug with some money. Is that possible? Well, those in the waiting room last week found out that, yeah, Steve Henry does give away some stuff. Not the waiting room this week, but the Wednesday comment. Yes, comment, like, share. I'll get your name, and we're going to put you down. You'll have a present underneath this tree come this Saturday show, and something will be in that present. We'll reveal that, and to all who participate, that's all I'm going to say, one time and one time only. It is the new SteveHenryShow.com for all of our merchandise. That is our hoodies, our mugs, all of our stuff. Our digital downloads are coming too with all these recipes. Great food, just amazing stuff. And then a very special, I want to alert you to a very special pre-recorded Christmas, even though our show falls on Christmas Day, the 25th, 4 o'clock, it'll be a live show pre-recorded. So basically it'll be online at 4 o'clock. A very special announcement I'm going to make. I don't sit down but once a year and kind of give you my thoughts and my feelings as where the show is going and the audience. It's going to be a very kind of a sit down. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a very informative, enlightening show. We're also going to plug in the road trip. Those road trips are always fun. So we'll have a little road trip combination, and then we'll put a little message together. There won't be any food. It's going to be kind of a different format, but it's going to be very cool. And then, of course, the week after is the New Year's Eve, baby! Oh, you don't want to miss that. We're going to light this place, this low ceiling, on fire. And Wilcox's office will never be the same. I promise you that. It's all coming this Saturday. You don't want to miss it. 4 o'clock Mountain Time here at the new Steve Henry Show. I look forward to seeing you all there. Baby Alicia, her first time. We're going to make announcements, and also I'm going to look for a present underneath this tree for you and a beautiful red and green dinner pre-Christmas. Don't miss it.